Hello, phonics friends, and welcome to Lesson 2 of Fiona Phonics Fitness. Let's get our bodies moving so we can learn better. In today's lesson, we will be using the consonants and vowels that we have learned so far. When you see a consonant, say the letter sound and march in place. When you see a vowel, say its sound, then crouch, dodge, or sneak like a ninja to avoid those throwing stars. Here we go! T says T. March in place. S says S. E says Ah. That's a vowel. Crouch like a ninja. Well done, ninjas. Keep on going. You can do it. P says P. I says I. Look out for those throwing stars. S says S. March in place. A says Ah. Leap, ninjas. B says B. F says F. O says Aw. Do your ninja kick. V says V. D says D. L says L. A says Ah. Time to be sneaky, ninjas. Great work! And now for the speed round. Q says Qu. O says Aw. R says R. M says L says L. I says I. N says N. You made it back to camp safely, ninjas. Well done. Until next time, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Phonics with Fiona. Let's learn together.